Hi, welcome to the Game Changers. So, yesterday we spoke about two scenarios. One, a bullish one, which we wanted to happen, and one, a bearish, just in case it gapped down significantly. So, these were the two scenarios. Finally, we have had a trending day. Finally, after such a long time. So, chalo, let's have a look at what has happened today and what we can expect for tomorrow. Chalo, let's have a look. So yesterday we had drawn these couple of scenarios, right? The markings are still there. So we had drawn these kind of scenarios. What happened was it gapped up significantly, right? Which is fine, which is above yesterday's high. It gapped up. A 3-minute pivot was made, and this was a valid setup. So as this is a valid setup, the 1:2 target was easily achieved. I wouldn't say very easily because this kind of fall had come. So when this kind of fall was coming, ideally what one should do is reduce the risk. If not make it to break even, at least reduce it and make it half, right? So that is what one can do. Currently, the market has had a beautiful trend day and a nice trend. This is very good for long-term situation, this kind of candle. So we'll talk about this. And if you remember, when I started this nearly a month back or something, when everybody was very bearish and pessimistic about the market, we were not that pessimistic, right? And we had a little bit of hope. And you can have a look at the weekend videos where you will see what has happened. Now, on a 3-minute chart, what can we expect for tomorrow? First, we'll go and have a look at an hourly chart. Now, this has been a really big kind of day. So, is it possible that another big day comes like this? Most of the time, it doesn't happen. So, what we're going to do, most of the times the people who have made money here give away in searching for such a kind of trade again. What we have to do is we have to mellow down a little bit. On a 3-minute chart, whenever the day's highs form, whatever the day's highs today, suppose this is the day's high, for example, what we would want is, we just don't want just a break, a consolidation and this. No, we don't want this kind of situation. We want price to significantly break the day's high, prove to us that it wants to create another big day, make a 3-minute pivot and then break out again. A 3-minute pivot is crucial. We would want the market to prove to us that another big day is possible. Otherwise क्या होगा? जो लोग ने इधर पैसे बनाए वो ऐसे यहाँ पे होगा, फिर यहाँ पे, and then suppose it becomes a doji kind of day, the people who have made money here will tend to give away the money. So now what we have to do is, it's simple. What we have to do is, now that it has been a good trend day and a nice trade setup formed, everything was great, we have to mellow down a little and focus on again saving capital. What happens is, the confidence increases when a good trade happens, right? The confidence increases and you tend to become overconfident. What we have to actually do is थोड़ा सा मेलो करके, थोड़ा सा शांत रह के, again focus on the process. Again think about saving capital, right? Because the money that is being made, now you want to save it for the next good setup, right? You don't want to constantly trade कि अभी अच्छा time आएगा and everything, like we become over aggressive and all. That you don't want to do. You want to be a bit mellow. So, chalo, See you tomorrow, and let's see what tomorrow is.